I'm back at it. I've been doing some pressure washing. See, it's taking the stuff off. But man, this post right here I've done used one battery on it already. This stuff just does not want to come off on this post. I even got some bleach on this one. I've done used one battery, and I even done started my other half of my porch. So now, you hear in the background my generator is running to start charging batteries. Had my rope tied to my truck. It goes off over through there, around a tree, and back up and tied to my tree back there. I went to go cut it down a few times a day, but the wind's blowing like crazy. They're just whipping. I got tied up this morning. As soon as I got tied up, about ready to cut it, you see the wind just start blowing the tree back and forth. Kind of calmed down this afternoon, but now I'm pressure washing, so now, got one of my logs scraped off last night with my runners. Completely scraped off. I got old, dry bark that was on there, down them grooves. So now that there's, I ready to age and seal. Got this one. Partially set stuff there. Gotta get that out of there. It's old, like real thin bark. If I seal over top of it, it's just gonna flake off and I'll have raw spots. I got that one, see, somewhat scraped. All right, let's see if that bleach helped any. I got my bucket here. Every time you stop and pull that hose out of there and put it in another bucket, it takes a minute for the water to go back up through there. See, I'm packing my water. Listen, tuna salad today. Well, my battery's got to recharge and the wind's pretty calm, so let's cut a tree down. Had to go over the plan one more time with the wife, and she was going to pull it with the truck. Got a rope onto it because it's leaning toward the cabin, so I'm trying to pull it, make sure it pulls away from the cabin, just for precaution. I'll make sure I put the rope on it first this time. Fell right where I wanted it. I think my chain was a little dull. Good hard maple. Can't get too much out of it. It's too crooked. And firewood. He opened it up. He even took a tree down over there that I was wanting to take down, so it took it down with it. That's one less tree I got to worry about. And I get these two down. Give me some more logs for over here I need. It's all of them. Still got that piece over there. Cut some more off that, but I got it all out of the creek. Well, I got it all pressure washed off. Still a little wet. Got all my post. I'll wait for it to dry and put some sealer on it. You want that? Got my tree down. Well, that's all for this weekend. Got quite a bit done. Porch pressure washed off, tree cut down. Most of it cut up and stacked up over there. Still got to split it so it can season. Maybe to dry out before winter time. Be a good winter burning firewood. So here playing with the dogs. Sunday morning, sitting here and watch Penny teach Wally a lesson. Yeah, she's boss over him. She get on him. Well, that about wraps it up for this weekend. Hang out today, do just a little bit of this. I say wait for the porch to dry so I can put everything back up. Hey, I want to give thanks to my subscribers out there. Greatly appreciated. Don't forget to hit that like button, share it, subscribe. Y'all have a good one. See y'all on the flip side.